Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the exact idea you want to probe and why it matters to the group. Once done, present one strong, open question that targets assumptions and asks for reasons. Make sure to state the conversation norms. Listen, ask clarifying questions, and avoid debating to win. Then invite a volunteer to respond. You're not lecturing, you're launching inquiry. Keep initial prompts simple, but pointed so learners can build on early responses. You now steer the exchange by layering questions that dig deeper. Start with clarifying probes to ensure everyone understands the answer, then ask for reasons or evidence. Once done, challenge assumptions with hypothetical scenarios or counterexamples to expose tensions. Make sure to vary question depth so quieter participants can join and to prevent the session from becoming confrontational. You summarize briefly between rounds. You finish by weaving contributions into a concise synthesis that highlights agreements, disagreements, and lingering questions. Then ask participants to reflect on what they learned and what perspectives shifted. Once done, suggest next steps, research, another session, or applying an idea in practice. If the group stalls, make sure to reframe the core question more narrowly or offer a concrete example to restart thinking. This troubleshooting move often opens stalled discussions without assigning blame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.